Well, PepsiCo is seeing a big boost after the food giant blew away profit estimates, with Frito-Lay North America powering PepsiCo's net revenue. Take a look at the stock there, up nearly 5%. The company also raising its forecast, now expecting its full-year organic revenue to increase 12%. We've got our very own Brian Sozzi here with outfit change from the last hour.
Yeah, you put on it, this is my outfit I watch on Sunday football. Throw a little Pepsi Max, put some vodka and ice, and you're good to go.
Which is fitting because we're talking about snacks. Turns out snacks are pretty resilient, even in the face of cost rises.
Yeah, I don't want to bury the lead here. Bottom line is we talked to PepsiCo CFO Hugh Johnson. He said, hey, Yahoo Finance team, we're pushing through price increases because we're still dealing with high levels of inflation. And despite those price increases, people are still out there buying lots of chips and lots of soda. Take a listen.
Okay, I guess we don't have that.
We don't have that. But still, Johnson came out, really, I think, struck a bullish tone. So in addition to that, really saying how they just implemented more price increases in the fourth quarter. What he did not want to do is really provide any 2023 guidance. That is typically what PepsiCo does. He did not provide that on the conference call, but ultimately said that's not where they're going to go yet, too. We were just also showing pictures of Gatorade. I would expect a big push by Gatorade more into the energy drink category next year. They will launch what they're calling their new fast twitch product, 200 milligrams of caffeine, in the early part of next year in partnership with the NFL. That should be interesting.
200 milligrams of caffeine.
Oh, right on my alley. Oh, I am so psyched, Akiko. I can't wait.
You're going to have more than one of those,
right?
You better.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, when you talk about those cost increases, how much of it is it to offset? I mean, it's clearly there to offset the price increases they're seeing internally from, the materials, everything that goes into making all these snacks. But at the same time, is it enough to offset what they're seeing internally?
Yeah, they have. I would say they have. Pepsi was out here this morning with, I think, an earnings beat nobody on the street expected. That's why the stock is ripping higher here for Pepsi on an earnings day. That's a pretty big move. That's why it's the hottest ticker on the Yahoo Finance platform. This quarter's positively surprised a lot of folks on the street. Over the next coming days, I would not be surprised to see upgrades on PepsiCo stock, upgrades in price targets, upgrades in earnings estimates, because it's clear that they have pricing power. And I think the focus now turns onto Coca-Cola to see if they can report more of the same. First instinct is yes, you will probably see a very strong quarter from Coca-Cola. The only red flag I would call out is maybe more currency exposure for Coca-Cola than PepsiCo, but still Coca-Cola is teed up for a very strong quarter now.
Yeah, currency exposure one we're going to continue to hear throughout the earnings season. Brian Sozzi, thanks so much.
Thanks.